Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Hoarder. We've now got Ellie here to do a dinosaur craft kit. So in this craft kit there is a dinosaur cutout specially designed for this craft kit. There's some sticky shapes in there and some googly eyes. So let's have a look what's inside.
Have I got the right one or not?
I've got to find the sticky shapes, Ellie, because we've got a lovely green.
You might have a light one or a dark one.
Yeah, it might be.
Can you show them what the dark one
yes,
looks
we
like?
have got a dark one here as well. Okay, I quite like the dark ones myself. So this is what he kind of looks like, and he stands up on the table. Okay, so he looks a bit like that. It's a nice 3D one. We've got some sticky shapes for this one here.
Where is the other side?
Other side of what? Well, that's the thing, Ellie. He's flat at the moment. We're going to make him standy up, okay? So it says fold along the prepared lines. Now, the dinosaur has come with lots of lines that are already folded, okay? So that's why he's been specially cut out. So I'm going to fold along the lines to help you out, because we're in a dark conservatory today and we can't quite see properly these lines. Okay, so we've got all those lines are folded and ready, and then it says glue the head. So can you put some glue on there and then fold the head so it goes like that? Yeah. Okay, here's your Pritt stick. I'll leave you to do that. Can you do it on the board so everybody can see? Yeah. I've made this really simple because it's just so effective. Yep, you can do it like that. You can stick on that bit or you can stick on this bit. And then it takes a little bit. Can you pinch those together while they dry, Ellie? Yeah. Okay, so the reason behind this, there isn't much cutting out to do. You're going to have to hold it a bit longer. It's not stuck yet. Can you see that bit sticking up? Hold that tight. Made it really super simple because then they can feel a sense of achievement for producing something that looks, that's it, put your hand a little bit forward. Looks really good. So it says glue on the eyes. So I think, Ellie, do you want to do the gluing on the eyes? If I hold it here so everybody can see, we need one on each side of the head. So do you want to put one on one side? Fabulous. And one on the other side so they're matching. Otherwise you're going to have a one-eyed dinosaur.
But you know that have different colour eyes as well.
Yeah, maybe, but I think I've put matching colours in all of the kits, I'm pretty sure. So the last thing, you can leave your dinosaur to dry a little bit, but because we're showing you in the video, Ellie, do you want to use some of the shapes to decorate the back of the dinosaur?
It's only squares only.
Well, this one's got squares, but all the kits are slightly different. So you could have a different coloured dinosaur. I think we might have some orange dinosaurs in there as well.
One by an eye.
This one's got squares, some might have circles, so you might have a spotty dinosaur or a spiky star dinosaur. Or do you want to put some down this side and then we'll do the other side? And you could always draw on it as well, add glitter and sparkles.
Can I add some glitter?
Oh, you and glitter, we'll see about that. This one's going to go on our display, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then Ellie's going to come with us to our craft fairs and show people how to do some of our craft kits as well.
Only if you're watching and you go to craft fair.
Yeah, if you're watching and you go to a craft fair, you might see us.
And you might like to join us.
Take that out of your mouth so you can talk properly. Thank you. Ellie is got a bit of a sweet tooth, so somebody's given us some sweeties today.
Lola in year 1.
Shouldn't really say Ellie, I'll have to cut that out of the video. Right, anyway, any more stickers on this side? No?
Need more stickers?
No, that's okay. You've put them all on, lots on one side, not so many on this side. So we've got our lovely looking dinosaur, our 3D dinosaur. He looks amazing.
With googly eyes.
With googly eyes. And you can see how quickly we've done that. And Ellie's really good at crafting. So if you've got somebody that hasn't done much crafting, this is a really brilliant starter kit. Okay. Thanks for watching.